Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to delete multiple Instagram posts at once. Now, this is quite a simple and easy process. If you have a lot of posts that you want to delete at a single time, this is what you have to do. Once you're here in your profile, you can click on the top right corner to go into the menu. Then you can see an option where it says your activity. Just click on this and then you can go ahead and select posts. And over here, you will see this option where it says select. Just click on select and select multiple posts. Let's say I want to delete these 3 right here. And I can click on the delete button on the bottom right corner. You can also use this top-down menu to filter out old stuff. If you select oldest to newest, the older posts will appear first. You can then select those. So as you can see here, I'm selecting all these 3 and I'm going to click on delete. Click on delete again. And that is it. Now those posts are deleted and you will see that they are gone from my profile once I refresh. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can delete multiple Instagram posts at once. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.